Hey everyone, my name is Michelle Otis. I'm the VP of Customer Experience here at Swept. Every day we hear from our customers that surfacing metrics and insights in their business is a real need. Some of the most important parts of running a cleaning business include knowing where your cleaners are and any problems that they encounter. Over the past week, our team launched a new ebook to help you better understand how to use metrics to run your business. At Swept, we know knowledge is power, and we believe with education and with software, you have the tools to build and grow a successful business. We are both proud and excited today to be releasing some new and improved features to our customers. The changes you'll see in Swept today are designed to reduce the friction between you, your cleaners, and your customers, and give you back more time in your day. We want to ensure the metrics that matter are at your fingertips. Our team have been busy preparing lots of resources to help you catch on to the new things here at Swept. Today, Darcy will show you some highlights, and as always, our team are here to help and support you every step of the way. Take it away, Darcy.
Hello, everyone. I'm Darcy, and I work in customer support, and I'm going to go through some of the changes in our release 4.5. So I've logged into the Swept web app, and I'm on our company dashboard. You'll know a few changes. So we still have our reports list available, and we have some changes to our metric cards. So our first metric card is our cleaners on site across all locations card. That shows you the number of cleaners that are currently on site. You can click on this card to be taken to our new cleaners on site report. Then we have the number of unassigned shifts currently in your schedule. So these are any scheduled shifts that don't have a cleaner assigned to them. If you click on this metric card, it'll take you to our scheduling page. We have your number of locations. And if you click on the locations card, it'll take you to our locations landing page. Then we have our problems this week. The problems this week card shows you any problems reported at the end of a cleaner shift for this week. You can click on the individual cards to be taken to that individual problem report, or you can click View All to be taken to our new problems report. So I mentioned two new reports that are also available under our reports list. So we have our cleaners on site report. And when you go to your cleaners on site report, it shows you cleaners that are currently signed in. If the cleaner needs to be manually signed out, or if you need to make any adjustments, you can click on the report to be taken to the cleanings report to make any necessary adjustments. Then if we go back to our reports, we also have our problems report. So if we go to our problems report, you can see all problems reported within your search. So at the top, you can search by clicking by the finder here, type in the location or the cleaner name. You can also search by date, and you can search by selecting a location and a user. Now, if you click on the individual rows, you'll see the individual problem report. And if you click on View Shift, that'll take you to the cleanings report. Some of the other changes we've made is to our locations and location dashboards. So I'm going to go to Locations in the left-hand menu, and you'll see a list of your locations. Select the location. I'm going to choose Base Hide High. And you'll notice a new location dashboard. So you have your address with a map in the left, specific location reports, and some metric cards available. You have your schedule variance metric card, which will show you your schedule variance. And if you click on it, you'll be taken to the schedule variance report. How many problems have been reported at this location? Number of hours logged in the last 24 hours. That again, you can click on to view. Number of cleaners currently on site, and number of days since last inspection. Any of the metric cards with an arrow, you can click on for further information. Then any metric cards with these three dots in the right, you can click on to adjust the time frame. But you can also configure your metric cards further. So up in the right, we have our Manage Location button. If you click on this, you'll see quite a few options. We go to Dashboard, and in here is where you can configure those metric cards. So I'm going to go to our problems reported by location. In here at the top, you'll see a description of what the metric card is. And then as you scroll down, you'll see some options available. Now, each metric card does have different options, but you can adjust the visibility, so whether it appears on the dashboard or doesn't, the time frame, what the default time frame is, and the warning threshold. So for cards with the warning threshold, green means it's healthy, yellow means it's a warning, and red means at risk. So it gives you a quick glance so you can see immediately how your location is doing. Now, if you want to set this up as the default across all locations, you can do that by checking this checkbox to use these settings as the default. And then in individual locations, you can customize them as well. And then just click Save to save your changes. Then at the top here, you can go back to your location by clicking on the location name. Now, when you go to Manage Location and look at the list, you'll notice a few things missing, including cleaning instructions, GeoFence, and approved call-in number for a landline sign-in. This is now available through Details. So if you click on Details, here is where you can make those adjustments. So you have your address, your location name, your location ID, your approved call-in number for that landline sign-in. And if we scroll down, we have our GeoFence feature, which is still available through the Details page, security information, and cleaning instructions at the bottom of the Details page. And then in the top right, you'll just click Save to save your changes. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us by clicking on the chat in the bottom right-hand corner and to speak to Swept. I hope you guys enjoy this release, and thank you, and everyone have a great day.